So this is our room, Key Largo. There's the bed. There's another one just like it. There's the, oh, there's my little treat for later. TV and everything, snacks. There I am. Hi. This is our balcony. My wonderful husband. He's got convertible hair still. Hey, honey.
Hey. Room with the view.
Yeah, I'll say.
The
Check it
fish
out.
looking out the side of the building over there.
Oh yeah, there's a fish. Where is it? Here it is. I like this better though, right over here.
Let's go. Everybody's heading over there. Everybody's be going over there for the sunset.
Is it almost time for sunset?
Yeah, about a half hour.
Well, that's almost time. Finish up your beer so we can go. And comb your hair.